Hello friends, I wanted to share with you my own testimony of implementing and using the HeartMath Institute's simple practices that have allowed me to create an heart-centered resilience within my own being, to create a new emotional baseline. Now, when I started training in this work, the trainers shared with me that people create a new emotional baseline, that when challenges come up, when stress comes up, that they're able to stay calm because they've increased their energy capacity. And as I started doing these practices, I started noticing in myself that I could just handle the daily challenges that might cause that just uneasiness inside to be felt, that I just felt more calm. And I really noticed that this was working when a couple months ago, my son accidentally hit my car. He ran into my car and he came into the house and he was so upset. I went outside to check the car. It really wasn't as bad as he thought. And when I came in from this situation and just took a breath and checked inside at my own emotional state, I realized I was totally calm. Now, I don't know about you, but in the past, an incident like that, my heart would be beating a lot faster and I would have an emotional response to that. And I was totally calm. And I realized that I have a new baseline. I have a new energy capacity within my body that when challenges come up, I'm able to stay more calm. And so I'm not draining my energy. So the beautiful thing of this is that when we're able to stay calm in challenges, we are not draining our energy. So I realize that I am more aware and in charge of how I spend my energy, and being really aware that, I don't want to drain my energy on things that, I just don't want to drain my energy. And that with these tools, I've been able to be more aware of when I do start draining my energy and how to shift and bring myself back into heart-brain coherence so that I really get to honor and nourish my own valuable, vibrant life energy. So if this is something that you're interested in, creating a new emotional baseline, guess what? I am starting a course, Heart-Centered Resiliency, October 20th. It's a 6-week course. Check out the information on my website and let me know if you're interested. I would love for you to join me if this is something that speaks to you. And here's to creating more heart-brain coherence, not only feeling good in our body, but tapping more into our heart wisdom and our own intuition together. Have a beautiful day, friends, and check out the information if this is speaking to you. Bye for now.